RGTI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 14th of July. Is Rigetti Stock Computing a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this space with 43,000 videos over 5 years that I've made my edge. I mean, I've seen what's making me money and actually documented what's also printing. Like no one else has come even close to this amount. To just remove all the drawings, like it was very simple because I was milking it up here and then sort of looking to get involved the most that I can so I can take it to at least the new highs that I'm kind of assuming that they're going to be there. So from here, here's the previous long side. I have proof that I began buying this when it was $2. Here is the proof. It was 3, came down to 2 at the time, 7 months back. And bro, since we're here, I'm just looking to double down. So how that will look like is I'm buying if there is a double break or just some sort of a shift here. And if that's not the case, then I'm just simply not gonna buy. Very simple. If you want to stay tuned with RGTI, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and money making insights for free. Then I'll see you in the next one.